Sanctions against persons violating reporting obligations. Sanctions under the AMLCFT law for failing to report suspicious activity. A detailed overview. The AMLCFT law outlines stringent penalties for financial institutions, FIs, their managers, and employees who fail to meet their legal obligations to report suspicious activities related to money laundering, terrorism financing, or the financing of illegal organizations. Below is a breakdown of the key sanctions and the circumstances under which they apply. 1. Sanctions for failure to report suspicious activity. Obligations, legal. Obligation to report. According to Article 15 of the AMLCFT law, FIs and their staff must report any suspicion or reasonable grounds to suspect that a crime is being or has been committed. This obligation applies even if the transactions or funds under suspicion represent only a portion of the criminal proceeds, regardless of their value. Penalties for non-compliance. Imprisonment. Individuals who fail to report suspicions of money laundering, terrorism financing, or financing of illegal organizations, whether deliberately or through gross negligence, may face imprisonment. Fines. The law imposes a fine ranging from 100,000 to 1 million on those who fail to fulfill their reporting obligations. Combination of sanctions. Offenders may be subject to either or both of these penalties, depending on the severity of the violation. 2. Sanctions for breaching confidentiality of suspicious transaction reports. Confidentiality requirements. Prohibition on disclosure. The AMLCFT law strictly prohibits anyone from warning or notifying another person about a suspicious transaction report, STR, or revealing that a transaction is under review or investigation by the competent authorities. Penalties for disclosure. Imprisonment. Those who breach this confidentiality may face imprisonment for no less than 6 months. Fines. In addition, a fine ranging from 100,000 to 500,000 may be imposed. Combination of sanctions. Offenders may be subject to either or both penalties, depending on the case.